you doing? It's me again. This time, little Nemo, the Dream Master. Take it apart, clean it. I don't have any labels or anything on it to worry about the outside. It's in really, really good condition. But of course, on the inside it might be entirely different, so looks are definitely deceiving. My day is going awesome today. The temperature outside is just wonderful. I have nothing to worry about. Got my walk in. Oh yeah, it's gonna need to be cleaned. Let's get that all buffed out. Like I was saying too earlier on a few other videos, that I don't have to use this particular foam pad. I have, sorry about the crinkling stuff, all these different colors here, so if anybody has a specific color that they want, just request it. In the next video I'll see if I can match it up or pair it off with, like, say the game art, like this color right here could be, a purple sheet or something like that, but I'm going to stick with the blue until you guys say something about it, and then I'll go ahead and change her out. Alright, my electric eraser arrived, and I'm going to try using this and clean the board up with it and see how well it works. If it doesn't work, I'm just going to go right back to my original idea of just using the pencil eraser, which this is probably more affordable. This is more of a novelty. Like, I just wanted to see if I can not have to worry about bumping the table a lot, with the camera going, and it's just kind of a, just want to see if it works. Let's see if I'm doing any damage. This might be more for just a spot treatment. It's rechargeable. That was Nemo. I think this would be great for buffing out some of those more etched areas. Alright, let's see what this looks like now. I'll put a little... Now remember, this is not a proven method at all. I have no idea if this is going to work or what, but let's see what it looks like after done. Wow. I gotta say, that's much easier. Look at that difference. I'll have to touch up just a little bit with it again, but what? No way. Well, I'm gonna have to say that I'm sold on it. I'm definitely going to be using it more often. I'm not going to use the electric razor, though, along the board line. I'll most likely... I haven't used this at all. I'll just probably use a wet cotton swab and wipe it off and be more casual about it, like coming through here like this and just get that board line, or the cart line to the board. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for all your wonderful comments on both YouTube and on Instagram. Thank you for following me and, you know, continuing along with the progress and that I'm, making with these vintage things. This is greatly appreciated. I like hearing from each and every one of you. And I know I should be very careful about how low I get this too, because of this metal piece here. It'll just destroy this, I'm sure. It'll just etch right into it. But with some being careful and watching what I'm doing, I don't think this is going to be an issue. Oh, this is going to be awesome. This is the first time attempting all of this, so I had no idea that it was going to be almost effortless getting all that grime and stuff off. I won't use this with a sticker either. I'm thinking maybe a couple times where I was having problems thinking that there was something that like a cleaner on it or whatever. It may have been sticker or yeah, like a label residue on the eraser itself left behind. But I've used so much and filed these down so far that I'm just speculating whether that would be it or not. And this is a very easy way to buff out these contact pads. I mean, anybody else online, everybody else that's watching this on YouTube, give it a shot. I mean, it's working very, very well. Super impressed. I'm not sitting here having to scrub away on it and getting that squeaky clean effect. I know there's little pieces of the here. Sorry if that was popping the microphone. And I'm being very cautious about not hitting the silk screen too with the eraser. I don't want to end up exposing extra copper if I don't have to. I'm trying to keep all of my Capcom games together when I upload them and clean them, so I don't, cross over brands or publishers. I'm trying to keep it as such. Okay, I can see where it's going to be needing some more buffing here and there. I should start cleaning it off on the actual corner right here and just lightly file it down some before I reapply it to the PCB. That way I know I'm not reintroducing garbage. I'm just hoping it doesn't lift up a pad any. It doesn't seem like it has enough torque for that. Just being very careful. Tell me how you guys' days are going. Well, like I was already saying earlier, is that mine's going wonderful. Got to go out and do my physical fitness. It's been raining these past like 3-4 days, and it's just annoying because it doesn't stay raining for very long, yet it's raining just enough to make things a bit unbearable outside. I'm curious. Maybe that grime is a cleaner of some sort, and it's clogging it up. Give me a second, I need some more rubbing alcohol here. I got the better cotton swabs going here too. The name brand ones. Yeah, it seems like it's catching it up and keeping it on there. This might break it up some. Yeah, that seemed like it did a good job. Give me a second here. I want to see what this looks like. You know, it works very well, and I'm going to say that this works at getting the grime all bunched up, and this works really well at getting it all the rest of the way cleared off. It might be an extra little bit of a step, but that step is making it way easier. And the finished product looks less etched. And then, you know, like the etching, like you see the deeper little pitting and stuff inside the pads. It looks like it's just taken those completely off. But like I said, looks can be deceiving. So let me work on it some more. I'll talk about the game, and let's see what we can do about getting this board all cleaned up. I'm trying to think of something that I could use to put this onto. You know what? I know exactly what to use. Remember that old piece of sandpaper? I'm going to do that. There we go. I'm going to clean it right off. Alright, give me 1 second here. I'm going to clean this up here. Might just get a new piece of foam. There we go. I think I might put another piece of foam right up underneath here too. Yeah. What do you think, purple? I think a piece of purple foam would work fine to give me that little bit of leverage. Or not leverage, but, you know, stability. Generate the board some. Hey, that'd work fine. What do you think? The cart color? Now I have different eraser tips too. Like skinnier ones. Maybe it was a cleaner that was on here, on the set over here, because it seems like it came right off this time. Or maybe I was just reintroducing garbage. I don't know. It's like I said, it's all process. This is unproven methods of doing this. I've never seen anybody else even attempt to do these kinds of things. So maybe this might be a new way of doing it. Be nice, right? Especially if it really, it's not doing any damage to it. If it was doing damage, we'd already see it, or we would have already seen it done, and the games wouldn't be playing. I might go tear apart Mega Man 2 now and get that one the rest of the way, because that really did not want to work. And if this is the case and it works very well, heck yeah. Yeah, I don't even need to hit that again with that. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It'd help me along, you know, it'd help me It'll just help me. Keep me motivated. I mean, this alone is such a reprieve. It's relaxation for me. Yeah, it's like I was saying before in other videos, it's very therapeutic. Just hearing this, seeing the old PCB, being able to share my experiences with others, because like Little Nemo, I never got a chance to see Little Nemo on the shelf. It was definitely not a common game around here for me. And when I saw it was available, I was like, oh yeah, I'm grabbing it up. And I already have a cool video up for it too. I found the way to keep your suit, or keep the character that you're, or the monster that you're riding. Okay, now I gotta say that looks really good, and it doesn't have that traditional board gouging, or whatever you want to call that, the etching of check on the cap, making sure that's okay. We'll make sure we get to take a look at the chips too. Because I know there's a lot of people out there that love seeing these numbers and looking them up for themselves. Alright, now it's time to clean this board up. Is that cap keeping it up there? Yes, it is. Alright, I'm going to adjust this this eraser. I'm going to bring it up a little bit further. And then I'm going to go ahead and look right there. Yeah, I'll even show the brand of it if you guys are interested in what it is. It's rechargeable. I like it a lot. This is, I gotta tell you the truth, it's fun actually cleaning a cart now. Before it was laborious. This right here took a lot of like elbow grease. This right here is just more of a concentration like type thing where you can just watch what it's doing. There we go. And that's something I was trying to avoid too. So that's, you guys know what that looks like. And yeah, nothing happened. We're good, right? Yep, we're good. So that's something to look out for. Kick back. That's what I was like, don't press too hard. I also believe that I have the eraser out a little bit too far. I guess it's all trial and error. Yeah, I brought her down just a little bit. And I'm cleaning it off regularly with the sandpaper. I wonder if this will work very well with corrosion as well. Not this kind of corrosion, but the other kind where it's like green on the copper. That's what I'm curious about. It does get little pieces of eraser everywhere, which is not a bad thing, but it's something to be mindful of in case it stays wet and you're like really in a hurry to put it back into the console to give it a shot. We want to make sure we get all that off of there. Okay, so here's the after. A little bit of streaking here and there, which I'll definitely get all touched up here. But what a huge difference. Just in the effort alone of cleaning this. It's so much. I'm not gonna say. Well, yeah, it's just easier. And it's like, be careful around this little pad right here, so you don't kick back on it like I already showed. And I was like, that's part of the risk of it. But it's not, I'm saying, it's like, it's not so powerful, even as it's charged, it's not so powerful that it's going to put any damage to it, unless you hit that metal piece right there. If you hit that metal piece, well, they got a plastic one in there, but still something to be mindful of. The crazy part is that it's not limited to just cleaning cartridges. You can actually like take it and draw with it. You know, like you can do some drawings and then erase and find little areas. I'm not sure what I'm talking about. You know, here's the fine erasers, and here's the bigger ones. So you get a lot in a pack. So you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave a description and a link below. And this is definitely the one way that I know how to clean this now. It's like, yeah, I'm not going back to using a traditional cart cleaner. This is the only way I'm going to be start cleaning my cartridges. If they don't work, take it apart. I'm back. Sorry, my phone just, well, my camera just cut out on me all of a sudden. It's really odd. I don't know what it was doing there, but it said something about maximum recording time received. Is it mirror polished? This side's not so much. Yeah, I'm going to do some more work, but I'm going to go ahead and do that all off camera. Buff it out some more. Actually, no. I'll just keep going at it right now. I'll just clean her up. I'm sure it's just eraser residue. Yeah, I could tell. Yeah, after this I'll put inside the FC Twin and give her a quick run through. So yeah, see you guys in a little bit. I'm back. Alright, I buffed it out the rest of the way. It was just a little bit of, you know, goop left behind. But yeah, you can see my thumb on that and all on there too. And then on this side as well. Try to go for that mirror polish. You can see a little bit left on there. Maybe. I don't know. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it's all really nice and spotless. So I'm gonna put it back together again. Put it inside the FC Twin, and maybe the Game Genie will work. We'll see. Take care. See you in a few. Greetings, hey everybody. I'm back. This time, little Nemo, the Dream Master, by Capcom. There's a few Game Genie codes. I'm skeptical whether or not it's going to play right away with the Game Genie. Oh, I did. Nice. All right. Let's definitely, let me show you the catalog of codes. Have it focus. Come on. There you go. And we're definitely going to have infinite lives and infinite life. I don't want to add anything extra, but we'll have some fun here. That's infinite lives and infinite life. I'm going to put in Mega Jump as well. Why not, right? Now this might not work because I have not tested it. At least the Mega Jump code. Let's have some fun. Like I was younger, I never had a chance to actually play this game. It wasn't until emulation where I even knew about it or heard about it. And then after I tried it, I was like, yeah, I gotta get myself a copy of the game. And yeah, I'm really happy with the way this cart looks, the way it turned out. The cleaning process with that mechanical or the electric eraser, it was awesome. I mean, it made my job so much easier cleaning this cart. Well, that's a nice ride. Gotta get that key. You can definitely see the limitations of the FC Twin. You know, that vertical scroll line there. Or is that a horizontal scroll line? You know what I'm talking about. That's why we put infinite lives. Yeah, I'm sure there's a key up there. Oh, lucky me on that one, huh? Alright, the game works, for all intents and purposes, flawless. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.